Shri Guru Namaha children. Yesterday we saw so many methods of training, on the job training, off the job training, and all we saw. And then in off the job training, we saw lecturer method, group discussion method, case study method, and then role play method. Now we are going to see seminar or conference method. Okay, seminar in the sense you can see so many conferences, doctor conferences and all you can see. Why in the sense the doctors will go and sit there and then they will talk about the current situation. For example, now COVID-19. COVID-19, often they will conduct a conference about this COVID-19 and they will discuss about their views. So, how they faced, what are all the cases they have faced, and then how the people are suffering, how can we get the medicines for that, vaccine and all, when you are going to find out, everything they will discuss in that conference. Okay, they can share their feelings and then they can share their knowledge in the conference hall. Okay, so that is called as conference method. Okay, seminar or conference method. This method enables the trainees to listen to the lecturer talk, deliver on specific topic. A particular topic they will take and then they will discuss about that topic. Provides opportunity to participate, to interact with the speaker and get their doubts clarified. So nowadays the COVID-19 is very popular, no? So what they will do, no? They will discuss about that particular topic. Okay, COVID-19 you can take. So they will participate to interact with the speakers. They will talk. They will analyze so many things about that particular topic, and then they can get doubts clarified. Whatever doubt they are having, and everything they were clearing themselves. Self, select participants may be allotted to present papers with the audio-visual aids as delegates. So what they will do, no, they can prepare a project, like a project they will prepare papers. Okay, there's a particular participants only they will select and then they will show the audio-visual aids. Okay, in that particular topic. Okay, they start a rich experience at the seminar through their papers. So they can some people they have more experience, no? They can conduct seminars. So with the papers, what are all the papers they have prepared? With the papers, they can conduct a seminar. Thus, participant can widen and deepen their knowledge by their active participation at the conference. So, what is the use in the conference? They can actively participate. They can widen their knowledge. They can develop their knowledge. How much depth the person is having in that particular field, everything they can find out. Okay, so active participate in the conference. They can show their active participation in the conference. Okay, field trip method. Field trip, you know very well, KG and all, we are taking them for a field trip, no? We can show everything and we are explaining like that. In this method, trainees are taken to actual workplace to gain exposure and knowledge. So wherever the workplace is, the trainees are taken to that particular place and they can show their, they are explain, the trainers will explain and then they can get that knowledge. They are explaining the process of work by supervisor of the facility visited by the participant. So everything they will go and show and explain. Okay, so visually they are seeing everything. They are free to clarity their doubts from the organization experts. So then and there they can clear their doubts. So whatever doubt they are getting, everything they are clearing there itself. This method helps the trainees to strengthen their theoretical knowledge obtained in the classroom environment by practical exposure. Yeah. If you are sitting and teaching anything in the sense, it will not reach fastly. But if a particular place, if they are showing theoretically, it will be difficult to understand. But practically, if they are going and doing it in the sense, it will reach very easily. So that is the main thing for this field trip. Okay, they are taking the workplace and then they are showing and then they are teaching it. It will reach very easily. Okay. Vestibule training method. Vestibule training is a training of an employee in an environment similar to the actual workplace. For example, I already said no, marine engineers, ship and all, they will build and kit, they will take them to that particular place and they will show. So same way, the aeronautical also. They can show there that aerospace center how it will be, everything model they will do and keep, and then this trainee will take to the particular place, and then they will show and they will give training. Okay, so it's similar to the actual work environment artificially created for training purposes. It is only artificial thing. It is not a original ship. Okay, it is not a original aeroplane. So they artificially they created and kept. The trainee will go there and the trainer will train the person. This type of training is given to avoid any damage or loss to machinery in the actual place by training. See, if they are straight away they are giving the ship to go and ride the ship in the sense, will you able to do that? No. So automatically the damage will happen. Accident will happen. So that they can avoid, no? So that's why they are giving like this. Okay. It avoid disturbing the normal workflow in the actual workplace. Yeah, if they are doing any work in the actual workplace, in the sense if I am going to train, going to get training, so you go in that side. I want to learn that and that. We can't say. So what they will do now, the artificial workplace which they are created and kept in the sense, you can go there and learn. It is given to drivers, pilots, space scientists, etc. That's why they have given for those people only. Okay, it is given to drivers, pilots, and then space scientists, etc. So before and all, we cannot go and drive, or we cannot do pilots and all. Suddenly they will never give the flight. You go and ride. They will not say. Okay. So what they will do? No, they will show everything during the training period. After learning only, they will get it. Okay, get it. E-learning. E-learning method, through this internet online only, they are learning everything. Now you are learning e-learning only, you are learning. Okay. E-learning is the use of technical process to access of a traditional classroom model. Traditional classroom is normally we are going to school and then we are learning. No? That is only traditional classroom. E-learning in the sense, if you are sitting and learning through WebEx, no, that is called as e-learning. E-learning is also often referred to as online learning or web-based learning. Through the web-based only we are learning. No? E-learning training courses can save lakhs and lakhs of rupees to the organization. So through this method, if they are giving training in this sense, automatically the people will start working. So no need to spend more amount for that. Okay. No longer have to pay for overtime or costly seminar to improve employee skills. So no need to spend for the seminars, no need to spend for the training purpose, no need anything. Okay, they can learn through e-learning. Okay, under this type of web-based training is anywhere and anytime information can pass over the internet. Through the internet, anytime, 24/7. So you can learn, you can read, you can use. So whatever you want, you can do it. Okay, demonstration training. Demonstration lessons in this method is a visual display of how something works or how to do something. So showing how to work, everything they will show in a practical way. Okay, that is demonstration. So demonstration involves showing by reason or proof, explaining or making clear by use of examples or experiments. So in a laboratory and all, they are showing experiments, no, like that. So practically they will show everything in a demo way. Okay, they will explain and then they will do everything. They are learning, the trainees are learning through that. Okay, as an example, trainer shows the trainees how to perform, how to do the task of the job. So how you have to behave, how to behave in the organization, how you should work, everything they will show. Okay, programmed instruction method. Program instruction method in the sense, under this method, the subject matter to be learned in the presented in a series of booklets. What they will do now, they will form a booklet. Okay, like a booklet they will form and keep. They programmed and kept. So what you should do now, you have to go according to that page wise. Okay, these unit wise you have to go. So how they will fix, in a simple problem to complex level. Okay, these units are arranged from simple to complex level. It consists of three parts: presenting facts, new knowledge, and question and answer, like that. So how they three consists of three parts they were formed. So how they will form three paths they have formed: presenting facts, new knowledge, learning new knowledge, and then question and answer pattern. Okay, trainees has to read the unit, understand the concept, and take part in self-evaluation exercises. So after that units you covered, and then you are having a question and answer pattern, and then it is for self-evaluation. They are self-evaluating. You can evaluate yourself. Okay, the system provides feedback on the accuracy of response given by training. Okay, so and then they will give a feedback on the successful completion of each and every unit. He or she will go to the subsequent levels. If you are completing one level, then only you can go to the next level. Okay, like a video game. The first level, if you are completing only, you can go to the next level like that. If they forgot, they should go back to original information. If you have forgot anything, again you have to go to the go back, and then you can learn everything, and then you can continue this. If they do not get the information, they are allowed to go to the next step for learning. If you forgot also, what they will do, no, you have to go to the previous step. You have to learn and come, and then only you can go to the next step. Okay, if they do not forget. If you do not forget, no problem. If you forget, you have to go back, and then you have to come and rejoin. Programmed instruction is made available in printed form. So everything is printed form, book, table, interactive video, and other formats. So everything in a printed form. So besides, there are number of other advanced method of training of the employees which will be taught to the students in their higher studies. So it will be very useful for them for the higher studies. They are doing good, they can go. Okay, so this is the programmed instruction method. Next, we are going to see the difference between on-the-job training and off-the-job. Already I said on-the-job training in the sense it will be in the actual workplace. Off-the-job training in the sense away from the actual workplace, isn't it? So the meaning: the employee learns a job in the actual work environment. The employee learns a job outside the actual work location. It is the cheapest to carry out. So on the job training in the sense, no need to spend anything. Okay. It requires expenses like separate training room, specialist resources like projectors. So in off the job training, what they will do, they have to prepare for the training room, they have to arrange everything, the resource persons they should call, and then projectors they need everything. At the location at the workplace. So workplace only. But it is away from the workplace. Suitable for generally imparted in case of manufacturing for production related jobs. So production, manufacturing related jobs only it suits. Mostly imparted for managerial and non-production related jobs. Definitely administration. It is only for administration roles. Okay. Otherwise, managerial, non-production related jobs. Approach: practical approach, that is theoretical approach. Principle: learning by performing, learning by acquiring knowledge. So while you are performing itself, you can learning, but here you are acquiring the knowledge. You are learning everything. Carried out. It is carried out by the experienced employee. The experienced employee only will train you. Okay. Training which is provided by the experts. So many experts will be there. They will give training for you. Deals with. Training is very relevant and practical dealing with day-to-day requirement of job. So day-to-day requirements, what are all they need, everything they are dealing with. But it can more easily deal the group of workers at the same time. So at the same time, we are dealing so many group of workers. Okay, so that is only the difference between on-the-job training and off-the-job training. What are the benefits of training? Many trainings we are giving. What is the use of this training? So, organization benefits of organization, employees, and customers. First, we are going to see the organization. It improves the skills of employees. Definitely, the employee skill will improve. Enhances productivity and profitability of the entity. So, the company's profitability will increase. It reduces wastage of materials and idle time. So automatically everything, if you are giving training in the sense, no problem at all. So wastages will reduce and then time will also reduce. It minimizes the time for supervision. Yeah. So supervision, nobody will go and supervise you. So you can do your work properly. It reduces labor turnover of employees. Automatically, the labor turnover will reduce. It improves union and management relationship. So automatically, the workers' union and the management relationship will improve. Employees. What is the use of the employees? It adds to the knowledge, skill, and competency of employees. So automatically, the employee is getting knowledge, competency. Okay. It enables him to gain promotion or achieve career. So automatically, he is getting promotion and then he is growing up. Okay, he is achieving his career. Advancement in quick time. It improves the employee's productivity. Automatically, employee's productivity also will improve. It enhances the morale of the employee. Morale and his confidence. Self-confidence will improve. Employees get higher earnings through incentives and rewards. Automatically, he is getting more salary. If you are trained employee in the sense, you will be getting more incentives and rewards. It builds up the confidence of employee by changing his attitude positively towards the work. So automatically he is getting confidence and then he is giving all effort. He put all effort in the development of the company. Customers. Customers get better quality of product or service. So automatically, if organization is good, employee is good in the sense, automatically outcome will also be good. So they are getting very good products. Customers get innovative products or value added or feature rich products. Automatically, the customers are getting innovative products, new products, creative products, and then value added or feature rich products they are getting. So do you understand, children? This lesson. Okay, I'll give you assignment. You can do it. Okay, you can send to